Welcome, here I've got CUBOT P40 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. And for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button, the second from the left. When we pick this we get access to more options we can manage. And now let's focus on this settings button here. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Here let's focus on the capture settings. At the second position we have the geotagging option, so it allows us to save the details about the location where we take a picture. By using this button we can easily turn this off and turn it on again like that. This is how it works. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device to make it work. So remember about these two parameters. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. From here let's move to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this square we get quick access to the gallery. So this is our photo. To check its location we have to tap on the center to get access to more options in the gallery. Now let's move to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have to slide a little bit down and pick the details. The location is here at the third position, so we can check the full address. Greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.